Hey guys, Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com, and super quick, I want to give you a peek at one of the rooms at the Kimpton Eventi in New York City. This hotel is super edgy, super fun, and in a fantastic location. We're on the 18th floor here. As you can see, 2 queen beds. Love the layout of these rooms. This hotel just has a really, really fun New York vibe to it. As I mentioned, great location, like the layout, great views of the city. That's something you're going to want to ask about when you book your room, because that's one of the fun parts about staying in New York City. Everything you need here in these rooms. We'll go back and give you a peek at the bathroom area. Also, really well done. Lots of room in here. I really like the layout of this. Nice big shower. Got your shower wand, everything you'll need there. But again, most importantly, the location of this hotel is fantastic if you really want to take in the city, because you are in walking distance to everything that you might want to go to, restaurants, tourist attractions, and whatnot. Just a great location. Again, the Kimpton Eventi in New York City. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSave.com.